Hey, guys. Hasn't anyone told you that being insulting to your guest is incredibly juvenile?
I beg, speak English, Joe.
After all, you didn't drop your school fees.
But sir, don't insult us, though, because we are very good at Muhammad Ali.
Papa's girlfriend has come to see us. Let go. Nonsense.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Chief. W.A.K. Chiroma. How you dey? I dey. What can I do for you? Who is this Mentalo? What are you doing here in this place? He is my son. Is he all right? No, he's deaf. Serious? How do you cope with him? He's deaf, not stupid. Oh, okay, true. Okay. How are you? You're asking me? Okay, me too, I'm fine. So, you know what I'm saying when you are looking at my mouth, Abi? So you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. This your son is very smart. I know. In fact, he is going to America for university. Your father, he tells me that you are going to America to read book. Hello. Yes. University of Wisconsin. A letter. Chief. This is serious school fees. You see, your father is a rich man. He has plenty money. Your father is very rich. He can afford it. Roma, don't globalize me.
Oh, hi. You must be Moose's Popsy.
Popsy?
She means Papa.
Oh, I prefer that Papa to Pepsi now, so that I will know when you are abusing me.
Abuse? Oh, come on, not on your life. I was brought up with manners.
So how did they teach you to greet people?
Yeah, okay. Evening, Chief. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Musa don't marry wife. Where is your mother?
She hasn't returned from the market, Papa.
Okay.
What seems to be the problem, John?
No problem, no problem at all. Yeah, just sit down, my dear, and read your book. Yeah, no problem at all. Adiko. Peace. Peaceful peace. Nightel, I beg you. Hello, police.
Hey, thank God. Hey, look, there are armed robbers in my house downstairs now. Yes. Hey. Yes, now. Downstairs in my house. Eh? What do you mean I should come? I should come and make a statement in the station? Eh? It is happening now. Now. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Ogaroba, how now?
Not too good when people like you will not cooperate.
Me, I will cooperate.
So where is the money?
I will get it for you. I will get it for you. I will get it for you.
Do you want to try us?
No.
I'll shoot you. I will.
Is it money? Is it not to juju? Is it money? It's not.